For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
While the surge in the number of COVID-19 cases in India is a cause for worry, the ray of hope is the number of recoveries. For the first time, the number of patients who have recovered from the pandemic has exceeded the number of active COVID-19 cases in the country. According to the website of Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the number of discharged patients stood at 1,35,205, while the number of active cases recorded was 1,33,632. India recorded over 9,500 COVID-19 cases for the sixth day in a row, with 279 fatalities in the last 24 hours. The total number of deaths has risen to 7,745 in the last 24 hours. The total number of cases registered stand at 2,76,583 in the past 24 hours. 6 states in the country have reported more than 10,000 cases of COVID-19. Maharashtra has been gravely battered by COVID-19 as it has reported more than 90,000 cases with 44,860 active cases in the last 24 hours, while the death toll in the state stands at 3,289. The second most affected state in India is Tamil Nadu, as the southern state inches towards 35,000 cases and more than 300 deaths due to the deadly pandemic. Delhi is on the number 3 spot when it comes to worst hit regions in the country. It recorded more than 31,000 cases and over 900 deaths due to COVID-19 have been reported from the national capital. Gujarat comes next with more than 21,000 cases and over 1,300 deaths owing to the deadly pandemic. Uttar Pradesh has replaced Rajasthan at the 5th spot when it comes to the worst affected states in the country. Uttar Pradesh has reported more than 11,000 cases and more than 300 people have lost their lives due to the deadly pandemic, while Rajasthan reported more than 11,000 COVID-19 cases. India ranks 5th in the world in terms of COVID-19 cases after it surpassed Spain. The US remains the worst hit country with more than 19 lakh cases. The second most affected country is Brazil with over 6 lakh cases due to the deadly pandemic. Russia is the next with over 4.8 lakh cases. The UK comes 4th in the overall tally with more than 2.8 lakh cases. India stands in the 5th position with 2.7 lakh cases, surpassing Spain that has more than 2.4 lakh cases and is at the 6th spot. But when we take into account the number of deaths, India is in the 12th position globally. The death toll in the United States is the highest with more than 1 lakh fatalities due to the contagion. The United Kingdom comes second with more than 40,000 deaths, followed by Brazil with more than 36,000 deaths. France recorded more than 29,000 deaths due to the deadly pandemic. In comparison, India has recorded more than 7,000 deaths due to COVID-19. The debate that is raging in the country is whether India has reached the community transmission stage, though the centre has denied it.